Stop settling for pans that stick, scorch, and wear out fast. This HexClad 6-piece set changes your everyday cooking instantly. First reason, the hybrid surface gives you serious searing power. Stainless steel meets Terrebond ceramic for smart non-stick performance. That means food releases easily and cleanup becomes effortless. Eggs, steaks, salmon, and veggies all cook with confidence. Second reason, 3 essential sizes cover every cooking situation. Use the 8-inch for quick breakfasts and solo meals. Reach for the 1/0-inch when dinner needs more room. The 1/2-inch handles family portions, sauces, and bigger sears. Each pan comes with a lid for added versatility. Third reason, this set is built for real kitchens. Tri-ply construction heats quickly and evenly across the surface. It works on gas, electric, glass, and induction cooktops. Metal utensils, dishwasher, oven. This set takes the abuse. The pans withstand extreme heat and demanding daily use. That durability makes them a long-term kitchen upgrade. The Stay Cool handles make every move feel secure and easy. You get pro-level performance without complicated learning curves. From weeknight dinners to weekend experiments, it keeps up. It's the kind of cookware food lovers actually show off. And yes, it looks as premium as it performs. If you want versatile cookware, this set delivers hard. If you want easy cleaning, this set saves time. If you want durability, this set is built to last. 3 pans, 3 lids, 1 seriously smart cooking upgrade. Perfect for home cooks who want better results fast. Perfect for foodies who care about performance and style. Perfect for buyers who want one set for everything. Grab the HexClad set and cook with more confidence today. Upgrade your kitchen now before this favorite sells out.